this topic is very serious. If you want to listen it carefully, just sit with your consciousness and confidence because the topic is going to be very serious. This is the child labor. What is the child labor? Everyone will thinking that the simple answer is the child labor is a process, the time in which the people snatch their childhood, snatch their copies, toys from the child, and give them the a cup of plate and a dishwasher to do the dishes. This is the child labor. Do you want this child labor in your childhood? No, no one wants the child labor. Everyone wants a toy and a copy. Just think, if someone snatch a copy and a toy from your hand, so what do you think? You will just cry and say, I don't want to do this, I want to study, I want to play with my friends. But just think, what about that child who is doing the child labor, who have done the child labor? The people who have done the child labor in their childhood, they didn't enjoy their childhood. They are in this era. They are the rapists. They are the criminal. They are doing a suicide. And just think, the child who you have. Just think, if you have just pressurized him to do the laboring, so he will just suicide. He will think, if there is no childhood, so why I live? The childhood is a period in which the child have to enjoy. Child have to live freely. Child have to live on his choice and on his demand. This is the childhood, not the childhood which you have to earn, which have to earn for your stomach and to eat your food. This is not a childhood. This is the upcoming adult time. And as we know, the 5 highest states in which the child labor is the most. So number 1, the Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Bihar. As we're talking about the Bihar is the number 1 highest state for the child labor. The child is begging, the child is selling the tea, the child is do the dishes for the earning money for their stomach and their food. That is why child labor is not good. And what do you think? The child labor is good or not? As to me, the child labor is very bad because as we talked about the child labor. And do you think the child labor should be banned in our society or not? Of course, yes, the child labor should be banned in our society because we have to give a chance to the child to live freely and to live on his demands and on his desire and on his choice, not by earning money, not by the responsibilities of the elders, the youngest. That is why child labor is bad for our society, for our country. So if you want to stop, do you want to raise your voice against the child labor? Yes. We have to work together to stop the child labor, and also we have to work together to stop the child labor, and we have to become together, and as we know, we have to be together for stopping the child labor. That is about the child labor. If you like that, so if you like that topic, so thank you for listening me and giving me a precious time.
Vaishnavi, what do you think? A child has been learning since his childhood. What is the bad in it?
The mopping the floor, the sweeping the floor, the selling the tea to do the dishes. It is not a skill. The skill is doing the boxing. The skill is the karate and all. This is not the skill you are saying for. This is a child labor in which the child is earning money for his food. The mopping the floor, the do the dishes and selling the tea. Is this the skill? Do you think it is a skill? No, it is not a skill. It is just a food for them that they will eat or by earning.
Who is responsible of child labor, parents or government?
Both are the responsible. How can you say that only one is responsible? Both are the responsible. Why the government is not banning the child labor? Why the parents are sending them to do the work, to do the dishes? Why are the parents want their bright future by suiciding, by becoming rapists and mother and doing the criminal? And the government, why the government is not banning the child labor? He or she have a power to control, to ban the child labor, but he is not doing. It is a both mistake.
So if you see a child to doing child labor, so what will your reaction?
On that time I will help that child and also give him money and help that child because he is begging he is begging for the money, only for the money. Don't know what the child will do by that money. I will not give him the money. I will just help him. I will brought the things for him. I will not give him money.
How child labor can be banned?
The child labor, as we know, the people are raising their voice for the NEET paper leak. So the people should raising the voice for the child labor. They can raise the they can again make a crowd and they can again make a crowd and again can raise the voice against the child labor. They can say that child labor is so the government should ban this and take a strict action for it, because as we know the government has already gave the justice for them for the NEET paper. So the government will also give the justice for the child labor. By that, the child will get a bright future. The child will free from this. The child want to that child was just saying that I don't want to do this. It is bad work. Now he is free from that. That is why child labor. That is why the government should take the strict action, and we should all have to raise our voice together and need to stop the child labor.
Which types of help you want from the government for the labor child? Which type of help?
If the I don't want nothing. I just want the government to take the strict action for that. We should raise the voice for that. We should just stand ahead. We should stand ahead and should raise our voice. We have a chance to raise our voice. The child also have a chance to raise our voice. Why the child is not raising her voice? Because he is not raising, because by raising his manager will slap him, his manager will out him. So how the child will earn? That is why I want to say that the government should take a strict action for that.
Which type of solution we want from government for the child labor?
For the child labor, we need the much help for the government. As we know, the government has already built the government school, but there is no education. But there is nothing. There is nothing. No education. No strict rules according to the private school. But the child who is doing the laboring, he cannot earn money for the private school. He must go to the government school, but there is no education. So why the parents are saying if there is no education, he will go to campus.
It's better for.
It's better than you will go to earn money. You will earn something, and we should have to and the government should have to build the free medicals, free hospitals. The government have done already everything. The free hospitals, free colleges, government school, but it is not good. Government school, there is no bright future for the student in government school. There is no good medicals. There is no good medical. There is no good medical. There is not good medical instruction and facility for the patients, and also the colleges. There is no bright future for the child. It is better. So the parents think it is better than you will go to the earn. You will earn something. We will have something. That is why the government should build the government education, government school, and the education system will be very good. By that, they can provide the good education, and the medical system is also good. By that, the patient can buy the good medical and can take the good facility in the hospital.
Which type of message do you want to give society about child laboring?
I want to give a message. I want to make the poster for the poster. I want to make the poster and I will paste in the society walls and make understand the parents who is sending their child to the work, and if they are arguing, if they are not agreed for me, so I will brought them the good clothes, brought them the good meal. That's why they can obey. If they can obey, so that is good. I can make a posters and can make understand the parents and can make confident a child to raise his voice to his manager, to his parents, that I want to learn. I want my bright future, not the dust future I want. I don't want to become a criminal, rapist and other. I don't want to do the suicide. I want my just bright future, not the dust future. That is